Hello, Namaste. Welcome to our channel Strategic Algo Level for the upcoming trading session. Please like us, share to your friends and subscribe us. You can follow us on the given links below. Please do not forget to press the bell icon so that you can get updates as on. About us, please do read it. Some points to remember before trading. It is very important. Please go through it. We believe in a mathematical trading, algos system oriented. Market is a mechanism to extract money from the system.
Yes. Hello all. 19th August expected moves. As expected, it happened today. A thin range trading day. The whole day Nifty was trading around 11,450 zone. At the end, it made a low of 11,404 and a high of 11,466. This 60 points trading range was today. Finally, Nifty LTP managed to trade at 11,428 at 3:30 p.m. As spoken to you yesterday, we were expecting a breakout from this area 11,364. Nifty was trading at the higher side of this, and it didn't come in those zone also, and hence I said market was bullish and cheerful. We are still expecting market to be like this and in a narrow range. Yes, for tomorrow, that is 20th August 2020, we are expecting the August Nifty future to perform in this way. Currently, LTP is going around 11,427. On the top side, it can still go up. It has a steam left, a good steam left, in fact. Mild profit booking can take market to this area. This is the most critical zone, that is 11,375. If this is taken out, I will suggest be alert. Be alert, bulls. For the third week expiry, I am saying 0.3. Here it is written. You can see 0.3 for third week expiry, which is going on. Right? So tomorrow is the expiry day. Right? So be alert for third week of expiry. Now, for the if you are playing for the fourth week of expiry, the alert starts here 0.4. See, you can see here. It ends almost here. This is safe bull area for the fourth week expiry. So you have to be very cautious if Nifty is breaching this area. You have to be very cautious. For the first week of expiry of the coming month, that is this 0.1, I am still expecting there is a safety net here for the first week of expiry of the coming month. It is on the 3rd of September. So be ready for that also. So if you find any mild profit booking, I will still suggest to buy first and sell later. But the point of entering your trade will be somewhere here, so that you can discount your trade with a strict stop loss. Now, as you can see, this is 11,328, this is 11,334, only 5-10 points difference. But here there is a huge difference. Here is less difference. So try to understand this point during market and trade in the strict that event range. These are events like this. Now, as I said, this is C for some new viewers, as this is C2.1. C2.1 means, if you read it, C2.1 safe bulls, this means 0.1 means first week of expiry of the month, that is the 3rd September coming month. This is 0.3 third week expiry. This is 0.4. Similarly, this is also 0.4, like this. And for C1, C2 and so on. We have given the name as alert bulls, safe bulls, and so on. So you have to be alert at this area 11,427 onwards, and if breaching downside, then the first alert bell rang here and the second alert bell rings here. After this there is no support, but still I will suggest to buy first and sell later, because that is the only trend is suggesting. Happy trading. Like, share and subscribe. If you have any queries, just feel free to contact us. The below is our NS Trading 999 is our Telegram channel. Do like it. Don't forget to press the bell icon. Thank you.